Hello, my name is William. I'm a service advisor at Canberra BMW Group. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure monitor in your BMW. Firstly, navigate to the home page of your BMW iDrive. Then navigate to Car, Vehicle Status, Flat Tyre Monitor. After you've set your tyre pressures, then go into Tyre Settings. Here you will see the option to perform a reset. The pressures for your vehicle can be found in the driver's door jamb or the BMW owner's manual. Now it's time to go for a short drive. We recommend 5 kilometers. The tyre pressure will reset during this drive. Handy tip, if winter is approaching, you can set the tyre pressure on your BMW 3 psi above the recommended pressure for your vehicle. This is because the tyre pressure can drop during cold weather. If your tyre pressure is ever low, you will get a notification on your iDrive prompting you to perform these steps. We recommend you pull over as soon as possible when you get this notification. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact myself and the BMW Canberra team on 6208 4111. We'd be more than happy to assist.